Oldsmobile time here. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. This will be an original number 28 paint code. Should be twilight blue. So very similar to this being an original color. I'm not an Oldsmobile color expert, but I think the twilight was a little bit darker, but very similar. Now this does have the original numbers matching 350 V8 underneath the hood, and that's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, power top. Come up to the grille, you can see the chrome, everything in nice shape on this one, especially the chrome bumper with just a little bit of pitting in the grille surround, if you can see it right there. As far as paint, so the paint is in nice shape on this car. If you look, you're going to find some light, fine scratches in the clear like you will on a lot of these cars, just from the microfiber and just from washing. But overall, you take this thing to your local shows, cruise-ins, be proud to drive this car. It's got a nice little rumble, good sound to it. We're going to start it up here in a little bit too. Black vinyl top, black vinyl interior with a 3-speed on the floor. If you want to check out the still pictures, go right ahead. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Feel free to give us a call. We do have technicians in our shop that will go through an inspection list. If you want to talk to your sales consultant about that, feel free to. As you can see, it's riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Those are also in nice shape, and you can see the tread depth in the still pictures. There's that black vinyl interior, bucket seats up front. Take a look, dash is also in nice shape. Very stock looking with the exception of a retro sound style radio that is in there. Radio does work, wipers work. Did have those going, and you can see seatbelt still intact, and the seats are really nice shape, free of holes, rips, and tears, kind of like the top is. We're going to put up the top, check that out in a little bit too. And like I said, it is a power top, that does work. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, come around to the back and see dual exhaust coming out the back. Again, rear bumper chrome, also in nice shape. There are some extra things that go with this too. We have a front kind of air dam, air balance down, goes below the bumper in the front. That will go with it. A little older parade boot or convertible top boot. Kick panels, a couple of those. Trim pieces as far as on the side. I know in one of the boxes there was marker lights. Also, there's the box for the radio, and again some miscellaneous trim pieces, part of the grill, one side of the grill anyway. Jack and a spare tire. So that stuff will be in the trunk and go with it. Come around to the driver's side here before we hop in and start it up. And again, this also looks nice up and down this side. Again, the body does not look wavy. You can see the reflection of the shoulder behind me. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You don't see a bunch of bubbling, anything like that. And again, you can check this all out in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. That's going to take you right there. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay. We'll put the top up so you can see that. Let's get her going. Like I said, it has a nice little rumble coming out of it. Now, I did notice oil pressure, temp gauge moved. Fuel gauge was the one I'm not 100% positive on. As far as tachometer, you can see that, sometimes called the tick-tock tack in different classic cars. There you go. There you can see the tack. Here's the tack is working. Second hand on the clock, not so much. I did have the radio, like I said, did have the radio working. Also on the wipers, did have those working also. Looks like this car is ready to go down the road. Slip around to the back seat here. sounding car too. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. We're going to check out this 350. Remember, it is the numbers matching the original engine to it. In the pictures you can see where that is stamped onto the plate on the engine. So hang on a second, I'm going to pause this. Let's get the hood open and let's check that engine bay out. Alright, that's really nice and clean and tidy under the hood too. Alright, hood liner. See, it's got headers on it. It's one of the reasons it's got a pretty nice deep rumble coming out of it. You can see how smooth that runs. And again, power steering, power brakes. Numbers matching, 350. Looking good under there. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this off, shut the engine off, and get that top up. I just want to show you the top here before we go. So hang on a second. Let me close up the hood, turn off the engine, get that top up. Let's check that out. Have the power top up now, so like I said, nice condition. Black vinyl. Not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that in it. Obviously you're going to have the natural wrinkles from it folding up and down and being stored lowered down for a while. And again, a lot of this, you get this out in the sun in the summer, a little heat pulls that right out. But again, no rips, tears, holes. As you can see, the rear window also nice shape, not yellowed or terribly discolored, anything like that. Very functional yet. Around to the passenger side yet. And again, I mean, you have these spots where it's folded up, but there's no wear or holes in there. And again, little heat in the summer, sun shining down on those. Be surprised how much that'll smooth out. Around to the passenger side, looks good too. So there you go. See the whole car. Twilight Blue, 1970. Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Numbers matching, 350 underneath the hood. 3-speed manual transmission. Now, remember, check out all those still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Phone number 507-386-1726. Don't forget about the extra parts. A few that come along with this will be in the trunk. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.